Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will build our own AI chatbot that runs completely on your local machine. No API key, no cloud, no cost. Today I am building exactly that using Java, Spring Boot and Ollama. Please watch till end. This is my project structure. I'm using Spring Boot and Maven. So I have added Spring AI starter model Ollama dependency in my project. This is this is the only dependency you need to build an interesting chatbot using Ollama and Spring Boot. In application.properties file, I have specified Ollama base URL, that is localhost, and port number because I'm running Ollama locally, and I have downloaded and uh, installed Llama 3.2 model that I have specified here. And now let's see some configuration. Here is the chat client bin. This is your direct line to the AI model, the system prompt that defines the personality. Change this one string and you get completely different assistant. We will come back to this, but remember, this is the system prompt and this defines the personality of your chatbot. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make it behave like someone who knows astrophysics, engineering, and deep space research facility. So let's see uh, how this behaves. And now let's let's see the basic chat loop, the basic version of our chatbot. Let's start with basic version. Just a simple while loop. It reads input from user. It uses chat client dot prompt. Remember, we define chat client in this configuration. So here we define the behavior of our chat client. As I said, we are going to make it behave like someone who knows astrophysics and engineering and stuff like that. So we are reading user input, right? And we are passing that user input here, and we are just getting the response from LLM, and we are simply printing that out, and this keeps going until we exit from this loop. Now let me go on and run this application. So I'm going to say hi to my chatbot. Now you see all systems nominal. How I can assist you, astronaut? You see this chatbot is behaving like someone who knows astrophysics and space and stuff, and it is encouraging me to ask questions on space. Now let's ask some questions. Um, how does the National Space works? Okay, so I got the response, right? And now let's ask something. You see, this this is encouraging me to ask follow-up questions because that's what we have told our uh, chatbot to ask follow-up questions, right? Here we have defined the personality of the chatbot, right? And you can see how I can assist you, astronaut. Start every first response with this line, right? And you can see that that is printed here, how I can assist you, astronaut, right? That's how you build the chatbot. You exactly tell your chatbot how to interact with end user. Now let me ask very interesting question. My name is Thomas. Okay, now I'm glad to meet you, Thomas, right? So it recognized my name, and let me ask you, what is my name? It doesn't remember my name. It has no idea. It just forgot everything I said. This is the fundamental problem with AI models. They are completely stateless. Every single message is treated as brand new conversation. There is zero memory of what came before. This is fine for simple Q&A, but completely breaks down the moment you want real conversation. So how do we fix it? Okay, now let me let me just exit from the loop. I will just delete everything and we will fix this chatbot, right? It must retain the memory. It must retain all the conversation. Now, here is the fixed version. You can see you can see message window chat memory. This is the actual storage that holds your conversation history. Think of it as a notepad that keeps the last 20 messages. Second, message chat memory advisor. This is the bridge between your chat history and the AI. Before every message you send, it automatically injects the entire conversation history into the prompt. The AI sees everything. Third, third part, the most tutorial gets wrong. The conversation ID that I have specified here. Without a fixed ID, Spring AI generates a new random ID on every call, so it can never find the history. We pin it to a fixed value and now everything connects. So remember, this must be fixed so that all our conversation will be tracked under a same conversation ID, right? And now let's run this and see how it behaves. We run this as sorry, let me just delete everything and I'm gonna run this as Spring Boot application. Say hi, my name is Thomas. What is my name? Seems there is some problem here. Okay, let me just stop this. I will just restart. Let me ask some question. Does national Thomas? You see, it responds, your name is Thomas is on my mind because it retained all the previous conversation. It built kind of a chat history. The advantage here is, you can ask follow-up questions and you can maintain the context. This is extremely important when you develop production grade chatbots. Now we will start changing the behavior of the system. I have different prompt and let's see how chatbot behaves. Now I want my chatbot to behave like an archaeologist. I will run the application again and we will see the changes. Right. Now you see it's asking, it's encouraging me to ask questions related to history and archaeology. Let's try it out. How old is I? Right, I'm getting the response related to my questions. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please support my channel. This will motivate to make more contents like this. Thank you. Thank you so much.